We are charged up, we're packed. We got all the gear, we got drones, we got cameras, we got gimbals. What's up, guys? It's about 12 p.m., 12:30. We are headed to the Las Vegas airport right now. I am in Las Vegas, obviously, and we are flying out to the U.S. Virgin Islands. We are doing another shoot for Renaissance Marine that we did way back in December, a charter video. We're going to be doing the same thing this time, except we're also going to be covering sort of this festival that's going on. So we're doing a BVI shoot, some new locations, some new stuff for their social media. Additionally, we have 4 yachts from a new client, catamarans actually, that we're going to be shooting down there. A lot going on this trip. Kind of escaping this desert because it's freaking hot as fuck and it doesn't even cool down at night like the other deserts we've been to. So I will see you guys in USVI. We just landed here at the USVI 2 hours late. We were stranded on the tarmac due to lightning and weather. No shoots planned today unless we do some lifestyle stuff, but it's probably getting too late. Well, it's been quite a day. It's 8 p.m. now, so we basically started 7:30. Yeah, a good 10 hours, charter day. You know, we hit a bunch of locations, got some cool stuff, a lot of lifestyle. The models, they worked out great. We had numerous outfits to work with, and everything kind of worked out. Got some great FPV running stuff, regular drone running stuff. We went to these cool caves, so I got to use the underwater housing. Really a lot of good footage. We're gonna do the festival tomorrow. There's sort of a slight forecast issue, 40% rain. You could go either way.